Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at LivePortrait. So this was just released maybe a couple of days ago, and what it basically does is it takes a source image and it takes a driving video, and based on the driving video it'll start to mimic and animate the source image, and you can take a look at that under hours. So the second column, the bottom row, and you can take a look at how really good it is. Like, it's able to I would say it's like 80% there when it comes to actually mimicking the driving video. And they have a paper as well, which I'll leave in the description box below. And if you actually take a look at it, it's actually pretty good. So I'm just gonna look at a couple examples, and then I'm gonna try this out myself as well. And it's like literally free. Everyone can try it, and I'll actually leave that in the link in the description box below as well for people to actually check out. So you can try this on a number of different types of images. You have animated images, you have old images, you can try it on videos as well. You can try it on just any image really, and some work better than others. So you can work on it. So this is a dancing video, this is the driving video, and you can see the actual source video and then the edited video. They have other examples as well, so let's try that. It's not working for some reason. Maybe I have to pause it. Okay, let's go to the next one, and you can also see the eyes, how well it moves up and down. You can see how the eyebrows are affected as well, and you can see in this one her mouth opening and closing, and they have some other examples as well. Now, one thing I like to usually do is just go through Twitter and see. Usually you'll find something really interesting on Twitter, and so people will try all sorts of things with all sorts of different videos and pictures and images and things like that. And you can take a look at that. And then, yeah, this is the guy from Breaking Bad, and this is Jensen Huang from NVIDIA. So one thing I do notice is that you do kind of see some type of warping around the face, which is interesting. I guess it's not really converting the images into videos, but it's just warping the image to make it seem like it's a video. I didn't read the paper, so I don't know. We'll have to wait until people analyze the actual paper. But you can tell it's really good. And so let's try it ourselves and see what we can make out of this. So this is Biden and Trump. So Hugging Face actually has this for free, and anyone can try it. And I'll leave the link in the description box below. But what I'm gonna do is I have a bunch of memes on my drive, and I want to see if I can do that with memes. So on the right is the driving video, and on the left is a meme that I want to animate. And so this is an old meme that I'm pretty sure everyone has seen before. It's that crazy ex-girlfriend meme. And if we scroll down, so just to play the driving video, so this is the actual driving video. He smiles creepily and turns his eyes right and left. And if I play the actual video, you can take a look at it. It does a pretty good job. So remember, initially her mouth is actually open, and the animated video, it's closed. By the way, each generation takes around like 30 to 50 seconds. So yeah, you guys can all try it yourself. Let's play that again, and you can sort of see so this is another meme that went around town back in the days, and this is the video that we're gonna use as a driving video. And you can just take a look at it. He makes some oval faces and a creepy smile. And we'll take a look at how the actual picture comes out. Yeah, I feel like the expressions are definitely getting closer and closer to being like, okay, indistinguishable from like real life. Let's try one more meme. This is another famous meme that went around town back in the days. I don't always go to McDonald's, but when I do, I'm loving it. And this is the driving video that I used. So she's basically winking awkwardly. And we scroll down, let's look at that, and let's see how that turns out. And you can actually see, like, I know there is some warping around the head, and the rest of the video is like pretty stable. You can see the hands aren't moving, it's just the face. But you can tell, like, even like the forehead expressions are still pretty good, I would say. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's pretty good, honestly. Can't complain. Let's see if we can look at any other examples that might be interesting on Twitter. So this is Mark Zuckerberg with some golden chains. Scroll down. Yeah, I mean, that looks really, I don't even know if that's an actual video or it's actually using this tool. So yeah, let's see. I think this is one of those Indian Bollywood actors. I think he looks familiar. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so I'll stop it at that. I'll leave the links in the description box below. And yeah, everyone should go try it out for themselves and see how it is. It's free of charge. And yeah, until next time, take care. See you guys later.